So MLGO is the biggest runner in the market, even when the market was so bloody. We've had a runner here, 531 million volume. Is this going to keep going, or are we going to get a massive pullback? So we've seen this happen many times with MLGO, where it touches this upper candle, Keltner channel, which is my red band, at an average true range of 4. This thing went so high that it probably hit like a 6 or 7, and it's very unsustainable. So we knew it was going to pull back. We knew do know that, but you never want to short a penny because these things can go insane. The last pump we've had was way back in here. Looks very similar back in June of 2024, and this is kind of what I think is going to happen. I think prices, we hit this, we can't sustain this area, so we know for sure we're going to go under here. So we go under, and this is the decision: do we go up or do we go down to these EMAs? Well, we went all the way down to these EMAs here. So we hit the 5, the 10, 20, and 50 here, and these act as support. And we launched up right here, and we did the same pattern here. We made a massive move. So is this the beginning of the run, or is this going to plummet? Either way, I don't think it's wise to play it in here. We saw that second big run that happened. It was on that EMA 50. I'm waiting to see. Obviously, this is the most bullish stock out there right now with 531 million volume. That is insane, right? So this is going to get a lot of hype coming in the next week. I just want to see what this does. Me personally, wait till this EMA 50 comes to be the bottom. You see how this is at the top? A lot of the times we can get a fake out. This is not the opportunity where you want to just get in right away. So wait this pull back. It's still up 453%. I mean, we went from a buck. I mean, look at this. A buck all the way to 1170. That's a 952% gain in a single day. That is insane, right? Absolutely insane. I don't think anyone could predict this move, to be honest. But we do know where it has to go down. So now it's like, okay, so how are we going to play this on the rebound type of play? So we've seen many stocks that just do this kind of pattern and plummet down, right? Like if you see this, for example, CNSP, if you see this EMA 50 at the top, we hit this upper band, we reject, and we go down. All right. We don't want that to happen with MLGO, right? We want to make sure, if this is really bullish, we get that nice thing. We saw that with TNXP. A lot of people bought into this hype. Look at this. It went all the way up, but what happened? It went tumbling down. Where do we play it on the rebound type of place? On this EMA 10, it had a nice move. 20 had a nice move. And even 50 had a nice move. And you can see the rebounds. So MLGO is definitely really bullish for now. But I just want to see, as of now, we have the EMA 5 crossing over. That's your first signal of, okay, we're having a mini uptrend. We have the EMA 50. Hopefully this comes down some more, so we'll see next week. I'd be looking to play this as an uptrend type of trade, and if I do get in, I'm going to play it on the 50. Let's say the 50's down here. I always do a stop loss of 10%. Because these are really stricty. Actually, I'll do 15 because it's more volatile. So basically, if this is your EMA 50 and this is where price comes down to, I play it down here. If it drops 15%, I stop out. But the percentages I can make is absolutely insane, right? I can easily, triple my R&R easily. All right, so I want to talk about MLGO. This is don't get bag holding this because I know a lot of people probably bought way up in here. I know a lot of people, they see this hype, and this is what tends to happen, right? You see this massive bullish move up here on the 15-minute, just like I was talking on the daily. If you want to get in on a lower time frame, you look at that EMA 50, bounces up, comes back to the 50, you get your add-ins here, and this was just a beautiful entry alert. I love the EMA 50. This was a 300% move from that EMA 50 right here. Absolutely monster move. And that's how I'm going to do with the day trade. If you want to day trade, use the 15-minute chart, look for the EMA 50. Obviously this trend is not going to last forever. It's just a 15-minute chart. You can also look at the 30-minute and be like, okay, now I think the 30 minutes due for this EMA 50, and then so forth. The 1 hour after you play that's how I intertwine. Daily is going to be the highest signal. If you're going to swing trade, use it as the daily chart. That's usually what I look for my swing trade alerts. All right, guys, if you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is click day trade alerts, and you'll get access to all my alerts, day trades, and swing trades for a very low time cost. permanent discount of $12 a month. It'll never go up in value. You'll get locked into a lifetime deal. If you're not from the US, it might be $15 or $16, but you guys are going to love this deal. I'm offering a promo. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you will have to do your computer to subscribe, but please read all this. It's very simple. If you don't have a computer, you can use your Android's web browser. You just click this link and don't use the app to do it through. But I want you guys to all come in. I think you guys are going to love it. This is how I look for overnight extensions. It helps you to be like, hey, I wouldn't buy MLGO if it crosses this upper counter channel. And as you can see, the massive sell-off had happened. If I really wanted to trade, I can go into the 15-minute chart and be like, okay, where is my my entries? Well, we see it right here. EMA 50 was your entry. I only usually play it one time, and then I can go to the 30 minutes to see if I want to get an entry. And that's really how I look for trading with the trend on a lower time frame. Daily, I look for the EMA 50 be at the daily. I want to see that EMA 50 at the very bottom. So, you know, you have the lower time frames being an uptrend, and then the daily will eventually be an uptrend. So, hope you guys learned a lot from this. Just a quick update. Do not buy MLGO right now, in my opinion. It's just too risky at this point. Let it come down some on the daily. If you want to day trade it, sure, you could do on a lower time frame. But that's about all I would do for now. It's a great day trading stock. I would hold off on the swing trading until it pulls back down and shows us an uptrend. Because, you know, you don't want something like this happens, guys, right? You get this big move up and you get plummeted down. You do not want to be stuck in this from $7 and it just slowly declines to $1. So don't get stuck in that. All right, guys. Hope to see you in the Discord. Click the link down below in the Discord YouTube comments to join the Discord. Sorry, and then click day trade alerts if you want to subscribe. Hope to see you guys in there. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.